Kazakhstan, once a golden post along the ancient Silk Road connecting Europe and Asia, is also a place lacking professional medical equipment, with a much lower per capita ownership rate compared to developed countries. The arrival of high-end medical equipment from China has completely broken the dilemma of insufficient doctors and inadequate equipment here. This is Karaganda region, located 240 kilometers away from the capital Astana. Despite being the best radiology department in the region, Dr. Oleg still has a concern.
После этого мы столкнулись с тем, что у нас в Карагандинской области по томографам самый топовым считался 1,5 Тесла. Везде по области у нас находились низкотесловые томографы 0,2, 0,4 Тесла.
Due to the lack of equipment, patients not only suffer from undiagnosed pain, but sometimes they have to travel across the country and even queue for days for examinations.
以前他们是没有设备，然后我们过去以后就给他从0到1的一些这方面的那个支持，然后同时呢，我们过去的不仅仅是设备，然后我们这个临床培训的技师啊，临床的这些专家也是在当地给他们提供了很好的这些这个培训。
For doctors like Oleg in the countries along the Silk Road, Chinese equipment is efficient and allows for the scanning of more patients in a shorter period of time, greatly improving efficiency. With the support of intelligent and digital technology, these devices have truly become the second pair of eyes for doctors.
Ну и, конечно же, еще раз подчеркну, что в первую очередь трехцеловый МРТ нам очень сильно помог и пригодился в обследовании нейрохирургических и неврологических пациентов. Нашли все-таки нейроваскулярный конфликт между мозжечковой артерией и тройничным нервом, которое пациента очень беспокоило. У него были боли.
第一是我们叫做提供非常创新性的这个设备，第二就是说呢，我们这个创新性的设备希望能够服务更多的这个病患。因为我们的理念就是说，是希望联营那些发明创造能够服务到全世界更多的这个病患。
Starting from Kazakhstan, where the Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) was first proposed, and along this ancient road with 1,000 years of civilization, United Imaging Healthcare has established a presence in about 1/3 of the countries participating in the BRI, with more than 20,000 devices stationed in over 60 countries. China's intelligent manufacturing continues to empower doctors along the Silk Road. The innovative achievements of China's intelligent manufacturing are quietly benefiting people in various countries. Chinese standards go global and work with the expanding international circle of friends, allowing the world to share the fruitful achievements of China's cutting-edge technology.